Your bills went up again this year, but your paycheck didn't. So you went looking for the easiest thing you could make and sell online, and every guru handed you the same wrong answer. Build a course, build an app, or go get a following first. That's the reason you still haven't made $1 online, but your first product doesn't have to be big, and you don't need a single follower to make your first sale. The easiest thing I ever made was a plain little spreadsheet that made $1,671, and I know how that sounds. If it was so easy, why did you only make $1,671? And honestly, the money was never the point. I wanted to see if the most boring file on earth, the kind over 1 billion people use, could actually make me money online, and it actually did. So give me 90 seconds and I'll put the exact product on your screen. And real quick before we start, I've made about $176,000 doing this over the years, so I'm not just guessing. And everything I use in this video, every worksheet, every prompt, it's all free on my website, notes.platformproof.com. You just drop in your email and you get the whole thing. And there's no catch. And do me a favor, actually do this because I read all of them. In the comment section, tell me the one thing people at work always come to you to figure out. It's the thing that they'd rather ask you than Google. Hold on to that one because the rest of this video is built on it. Look, 1 in 3 adults has some kind of side hustle going on right now, and 61% of them say they couldn't afford their life without it. So it's not that most people aren't trying, it's that they can't picture what their own skill turns into. You've got something worth money, you just can't see what a stranger would actually pay for. And that's the part that stops you, but it's actually the easiest part to fix. So the easiest digital product is really just a template, a checklist, a simple plan, or a fill-in-the-blank document that does one annoying job for somebody so they don't have to figure it out by themselves. I've got one on the screen right now. Somebody with a problem opens it, follows it, gets the result, and never even has to hire you. And I still remember the night this clicked for me. Years back, I was up late night scrolling, kind of annoyed, watching people sell little downloads for the stuff I did all day at my job for free. I mean, spreadsheets and checklists, the boring stuff nobody at work ever thanked me for. And I just sat there thinking, wait, they're selling my skill, the same thing I hand out for free, every single week. It had been sitting on my laptop for years and I never once thought of charging for it because it felt way too obvious. And that's the weird thing about what you're good at. You stop being able to see it. Somebody asks you for it on a Tuesday and you knock it out in 10 minutes without even thinking, so you figure it's worth nothing to anybody else, but it's actually worth something to somebody. That thing people keep coming to you for, you could put it up for sale tomorrow, you just never looked at it that way. Now you should be asking, how do you actually make one? There are 3 steps, it takes 1 afternoon, and it doesn't cost anything up front. First, take that task from your comment, the one people always come to you for. Second, talk it out. Open up one of the free AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude and just explain it out loud, the way you'd walk a coworker through it if they were standing right next to you. Now this is important. Don't write it, say it. Third, let the AI put it in order for you. The checklist, the headers, the fill in the blanks. The AI handles all the formatting, but it can't actually know how to do the thing. That part's still on you. My first product took me 1 afternoon, not some 6-month project. And look, it had typos in it. A guy still bought it anyway. He told me straight up, it had typos, but I bought it because I trusted you. And here's the part the gurus leave out. Not one person who bought from me cared about the typos. They just wanted the problem solved by somebody who had already done it for real. So get it listed. Just get a rough draft up where people can buy it. A perfect one nobody can see does nothing for you. So really the only thing left is figuring out which one is yours, and that's where most people freeze up. Here's a quick gut check for you. If you're still sitting there going, I don't even know what my thing is, that's completely normal, and that's the one real hurdle in this whole thing. And that's the reason why I built Finder. It's just $17 one time, and it walks you back through your own history until the skill you can sell falls right into your lap. The $17 is doing the hard part for you, and it's nothing next to the first sale. The link's below if you want the shortcut. But if you already know your answer from the comment you just left, then skip it. You don't need it, you're all set. Now if you want me to name the skill for you first, I already made a whole video on that. It's called 5 Boring Ordinary Skills Regular People Are Quietly Selling right now, and I bet at least one of them sounds like your day job. Watch that video after this because right here is where we're going to take the skill and turn it into the product. Let me show you 5 real examples, and stay with me past number 5 because that's where I show you how the first one gets bought when nobody's following you. Number 1 is the mechanic. Your template is a simple car maintenance schedule plus a do-it-yourself versus take-it-to-the-shop checklist. And that mechanic checklist is basically the $1,671 spreadsheet I just sold. It's the same boring file I figured was worth nothing, and it's the one that ended up paying. The reason this works is simple. Everyone with a car needs this and nobody enjoys figuring it out, so it just kind of sells itself. The people buying are new car owners who are scared of getting ripped off. The downside is the info goes stale pretty quick, so you gotta keep updating it or the reviews will turn on you pretty quickly. Now keep it fresh, and since just about everyone owns a car, this is the biggest crowd of the 5. Starting out, you might make a few sales a month, and done well, it can climb toward a few hundred per month. Number 2 is the roofer. His template is a roof inspection checklist plus a repair versus replace decision sheet. This one's worth it because it answers a scary but expensive question people are desperate not to get wrong. And the buyer is the homeowner staring at a roof quote wondering if he's being played. The catch is, though, is it's seasonal. Storms will drive it. It can be quiet for a few months at a time. This one moves with the weather. A dead stretch might be close to nothing, and then a single storm could bring in a few hundred sales per month. You'll have great months and you'll have slow months. Number 3 is for the real estate agent. For her, it's a home listing prep checklist plus an open house spreadsheet. What makes this one strong is it's the same playbook agents charge thousands for, just packaged for somebody selling their own home. The buyers are people selling their home themselves, skipping the agent. Now, it's a narrow crowd and only people selling right now are gonna care, but the smaller crowd pays more, so you can charge higher price per copy. And because each sale's worth more, even a slow trickle can still add to a couple hundred sales per month. Number 4 is the bookkeeper. This one's a monthly small business bookkeeping checklist plus an expense category cheat sheet. What's good here is it's the same dreaded task every single month, so people will gladly pay you to stop dreading it. And the ones reaching for it are new freelancers and small business owners who'd rather be doing anything else. The one thing you have to flag is software and categories vary from business to business, but here's what's different about this one. Because it's the same job every month, the sales stack up instead of resetting. It's last month's buyers plus this month's, and since every brand new business is one more buyer, it just keeps climbing. And number 5 is the cleaning business owner with a move out cleaning checklist plus a pricing sheet. What makes this one easy is you're selling to people in your own trade who need it and day one. The buyers are brand new cleaners who have no clue what to charge. The catch is prices vary by city, so you've got to say that or you're going to steer people in the wrong direction. This one sells fast because the need is urgent, though the ceiling's lower. You could pick up a few sales a month pretty quick and settle in around a few hundred or so a month as more people start cleaning businesses. That's 5 trades. It's the same play every time. It's a task you already do turned into a checklist a stranger can buy. Now here's the part everyone's convinced is impossible, selling it when nobody's watching you. But here's the thing though, nobody has to be watching you for this to sell. You just need one right stranger to find it at the right moment. And so instead of grinding to build a follower first, you post one short video on your own channel that answers the question that your buyer's already typing into YouTube. A new car owner may type in, "How do I tell if my mechanic's ripping me off?" And your video answers it. You put one link in the description. The people searching that question are the same people who buy your checklist. The search bar walks them right to you, and you never needed a single follower for that. And I'll be straight with you about the very first time I ever tried this, years before the mechanic spreadsheet even existed. It was a different little template, my very first one. I put it up and nothing happened. For 2 weeks, not one single sale came in. I had my cursor sitting on the delete button, ready to call the whole thing a dumb idea. Then the notification hit. It was just $17 from a total stranger through a video just like that. And I stared at that $7 a little longer than I want to admit because it meant a person I'd never met would actually pay me for something I already knew how to do. That one sale is the whole game right there. That one video on your own channel is how strangers find it and buy it. And that's it. You can also drop it in a group where your people are already hanging out, but that's just backup. The main move is to answer the question out in the open and let the people already looking for it walk right in. And do you remember the number from the very start? That $1,671 didn't come from a course and it didn't come from an app. It came from a spreadsheet and a template. I made it in one afternoon, and that's the entire reason it even exists. Because it was easy enough that I could actually finish it and put it up for sale. Of all of those big projects I kept meaning to do someday, not one of them ever made me a single dollar because not one of them ever got done. That one boring spreadsheet is the thing I kept coming back to. People hear easy and think lazy. It isn't. The easy version is just one thing that actually gets finished and listed. You know that huge thing you keep planning? You're not going to finish it. But that small template you could knock out in an afternoon, you will. So go ahead and make that one. The easiest digital product to make and sell is a template built from a skill you already have. You don't need the course, the app, or even the audience. Mine was a spreadsheet. Yours is sitting in your comment right now. So let's talk about your weekend. And I don't mean someday, I mean this weekend. Saturday, you pick that one task from your comment and let the AI draft the template with you in one afternoon, the way I just showed you. On Sunday, you go make a free Gumroad page and put the template on it. Price it low to start, somewhere between $9 and $12, just low enough that buying it feels like a no-brainer. Then title the page as the question your buyer types in, word for word. Something like move out cleaning checklist for new cleaners so the search can actually find it. Then you post one short video on your own channel answering the same question with a link in the description. And by Sunday night, you've got a real product that's listed and findable and a stranger can buy, and you pull it off with zero audience and $0. The skill you stop seeing as a skill is the one. That's the one you should be selling. And next Sunday, I'm dropping the next one in the series, how to make your first 10 sales, how a $20 product actually gets bought, because once your template's up, that's the very next question, so keep an eye out for it. A lot of people are going to watch this video and do nothing, and a month from now, they'll be sitting in the same spot, still planning the big thing, with the same bills and the same paycheck. You don't have to be one of those people. It's just one task, one template, and one weekend. Comment Proof Builder if you stayed until the end, and you are going to make $3,000 a month with the skills you already have. Now, go build the damn thing. Quick disclaimer before we go. This video is for educational purposes only. Most people who try to make money online don't make money. Nothing in this video implies or guarantees success or returns of any kind.